Hi Hans, I am here with an unboxing. I have, with my own money, purchased the Smile Direct Club. Hopefully you can see that. Again, this is not a sponsored video, just letting you know what I've purchased. When you open the box, you have all the paperwork, pretty much a pamphlet. Hope you guys can see this. I have a sticker. And pretty much it says use the sticker to securely seal the box before mailing. Then on this little card, it pretty much shows how to follow them. And it says, let's get this party started. On the back, it just pretty much shows 2 ways to pay. And then you have this booklet in here, the impression guide. And right here, like you have 2 mouth trays and 4 different, looks like putty. So I'm guessing that's the stuff you use to get your teeth impressions, pretty much. All right, let's get started. It says, hello, at Smile Direct Club, we believe that everybody deserves a smile they love. Making your impressions is the first step on your journey. And the reason I'm doing this is because, if you can see, right here, these few teeth are crooked. They're turned just a little bit. And on my top, there's a lot of spacing in between the front top teeth. I had all my back molars. They were extracted during my last pregnancy. That was, 3 years ago. So once they did that, I noticed my teeth start spreading. And I don't like that. So I joined the club to get that corrected. Alright, so let's get started. We're here to make sure your impressions and photos turn out great. Good impressions ensure accurate aligners, and accurate aligners mean happy smiles. So be sure to read the whole booklet before you get started. So, I'll be back, guys. Yes, I'm back. I just want to let you know that what's included when I opened the top layer. It was another set of these mouth guards. What do you call them? The trays. Sorry. It's 4 total. 4 trays total. And I have 4 of the gray putty and 4 of the purple. Hopefully you can see that. It came with a mouth guard. So I guess I'll put this in my mouth so I can get to my teeth really good. And pretty much I have to wear these gloves throughout the rest of this procedure. So I just wanted to let you guys see. I'll be back. So basically it says I need to grab one of the trays and put it in my mouth to see if it's too snug or if the teeth doesn't cover, or all of my teeth are not covered in the very back, the back molars. So here I go. that one fits good. I really don't have back molars, so it fits. And it told me to pull out the purple putty and the gray and make sure to leave them out to reach room temperature. But I had that done overnight. And it pretty much says to brush your teeth and floss. I've done that already. It says clean your hands and your gloves. And I've done so. Also, you need a timer. It's good to keep a good time on your impressions. And a towel. Said it's not pretty, but you may drool when you take your impressions out. Which is true. Alright, let's get started. Getting started is simple. You'll be making 2 sets of 2 impressions, top and bottom. Each one takes 3.5 minutes to complete. That's for what the timer is for. So I have mine set for 3:30. 3.5 minutes. It says start by making a top impression, checking it to be sure it came out just right. If anything seems off, you can correct it on the second try. On the next page, you can see what makes an impression great. What's in a good impression? And this is the diagram. We want the gum line present, a single imprint, molars captured, and putty fully mixed. Which I don't have my back molar, so that of course won't be captured. Okay. And then it shows on the next page what's in a bad impression. Sorry guys, my son just woke up and he wants to make noise while I'm doing this. But these are examples on bad impressions. Improper putty mixture, tray not fully seated, tray movement, and uneven pressure. So make sure you guys are doing this correctly. Okay, the next page it says mix and mold within 25 seconds. To make the mold, put your gloves on and mix the gray putty with the purple putty until they are one solid color. Once you begin mixing, you have to work fast. Then immediately place the mold in your mouth. The putty mixture will set in 60 seconds. So blend the gray and purple putties together until they form one color with no visible swirl. Now I'm mixing the mold for my top teeth. I'm grabbing the purple and one of the gray. Sorry about the background noise. My kids. Of course, it's a Saturday, so they're home from school. Pretty much mixing it up within 25 seconds. A lot of work, y'all. Basically look at it, make sure it's mixed all the way, and roll it out. And set it in the tray within another 25 minutes. Looks like that. Looks mixed and good. Now, insert on the top. Alright, my upper are done. Now, I have to do it all over again. Another bottom and another top one. So I'll be back. Okay, I've done the second set of impressions. So I have 2 upper and 2 lower. The next step, it says, this is the final stretch. Smile for the camera. So basically, I have to take this mouth guard. I know you guys have seen this around. And do a close-up shot of my teeth. The teeth closed. Then my mouth open. Looking down. And then my upper teeth, mouth open, looking up. So here I go. I don't even know how to do this. her hair did this hurt. Ah. Harder. Let's do this. Close up. Alright, got the close up. Now, now, you can get it. Alright. Now up. Alright. That's it. Whew. Made me look funny, right? Alright. So, last step. Mail them back. I'm going to go ahead and package this back up. I'm going to take the photos and pretty much upload it to my profile that I created when I first signed up. And they will go ahead and ship me out my first clear clear aligners. So that's it, y'all. Hope you enjoyed this, and I will see you on my next video.